communication happens. ये मैंने देखा आज यहाँ पे. It would have been much more smoother, much more beautiful अगर effective communication होता. Now why am I hinting at effective? How does communication happen?
Proper listening.
आप directly ask.
One person,
So there is no use of people speaking if nobody is listening. And what happens in a strenuous situation is everybody starts talking. Everybody starts talking. So I saw that happening. Everybody is talking what they are feeling. Nobody is listening to the other. Number one, it doesn't make sense. Number two, how will you know what to do if you are not listening? What else? So effective communication is definitely one important thing, which means listen. Effective communication कैसा होता है? The sender sends a message to the receiver. The receiver gives a feedback कि मुझे समझ में आया. ओके हम लोग वॉकी टॉकी में बात करते हैं तो सुनने के बाद बोलना पड़ता है ओके रॉजर. अगर हम नहीं बोलेंगे तो वो बंदा फिर से बोलता है डिड यू कॉपी, क्योंकि उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा ना मैंने सुना या नहीं, मुझे समझ में आया या नहीं. He doesn't know. It's the same thing. I tell Neha go and do this. Neha जा तो गई, चली तो गई, but I don't know if she has understood it right. So until and unless she says okay Subrata, what you are saying is you want me to go and do this, and then I say okay you understood, go. Now I'm sure, now I'm comfortable. That is effective communication. In a small situation like this also communication happens with the same thing. What else? Effective leadership. Now how would you define effective leadership?
because when they started the task, so everybody became the leader and he started doing it in own way. But ball was falling again and again. Then they decided, okay, one person will lead and he will tell what to do, and others were doing that. Then they got the trick of that.
Correct. Very good. So you know what has been happening here, what I noticed, what I could understand, my opinion, is say everybody will come up with a perspective. There is a model called Marston's model. Have you ever heard of this model? Marston's, M-A-R-S-T-O-N. You know, every person comes from a background. We say background, you know. So there is this core personality. First is hereditary traits. छोटा सा जो मेरे बाप, मेरे माँ, मेरे मामा, मेरे दादाजी, उनका जो traits मेरे अंदर में है. As we grow up, there is this outer circle which forms. That is called core personality. What is core personality? We develop certain things out of my hereditary traits, which are probably, sometimes, possibly different from the hereditary traits. Which means my dad was a very honest man. रिक्शा में चढ़ने से पहले पैसा देते थे. और मैं आज की डेट में ऐसा बन गया हूँ बाहर रहते रहते कि टैक्सी से उतर के वो बोलता है साहब आपका इतना हुआ, मैं एक बार ही उसको डाउट करता हूँ. मैं बोलता है तेरा मीटर फॉल्टी है, बोल के देखता हूँ, अगर शायद फॉल्टी निकल जाए, शायद वो मुझे लूटने की कोशिश कर रहा है. So hereditary trait, internally I know that I am the honest guy, I will not want to cheat him. But the doubts and all that has come into my mind. And then core personality के बाद there are these things which are called surface traits, which means things that you get to see from you. Core personality or hereditary trait आपको दिखता नहीं है. These are hidden traits. Surface traits कौन सा है? Why am I telling you this? Because working with people, these are very important. When you're working with people, surface traits कौन सा होते हैं? Responses and behavior. So you come to me tomorrow and you say, Subrato, can you give me a 500 rupee note? I will give it to you in the evening. I might be having, and you know that I have that bundle of money in my pocket. I say, नहीं आया. And you say, क्या कंजूस आदमी आया? झूठ भी बोलता है. What you do not know is 1 month early, one of my friends said, 50 रुपए का नोट होगा क्या? एक दिन में देता हूँ. मैंने दिया था. वो एक दिन, एक साल में नहीं आया. So my responses and behavior are dependent upon my two things. बीच में एक छोटा सा बीच में एक छोटा सा white line है. E and E, experience and exposure. Every person sitting in this place comes with some experience and exposure which are different from the others. It is very important to understand people while you are working together. Which is why every person will have their own perspective and opinion, and they will now come up with suggestions. For a leader, on one hand it is important to decide. On the other hand, it is also important to take everybody into consideration, because everybody has a perspective which he cannot let go. So even in this game, it was very important for every person. No leader is actually decided. Yesterday we saw this. You cannot actually appoint a leader emerges. A leader evolves out of an activity. And you will also find out, a leader will emerge different from this activity to that activity. In this activity, he would be a leader, emerged. In the other activity, Sana could be a leader, emerged. So a leader will not always be a leader in every activity also. I am good at this, I found my perspective right, and it works like that. There are also leaders who are always good at everything that they do, accept. That also happens. So here, next was leadership that we spoke about.
That if rope is too loose, it will not help us in and rope is too tight, it will then also one will fall.
Absolutely.
And we have to travel in a proper direction and seeing the obstruction out.
Correct, correct. Also, keeping the target in mind is also very important. Like strategizing. How do you make a strategy until and unless you have already decided on the target, know the target and the environment that you are working in? So before starting, how many of you decided to take your group on a route and show where you have to come? How many of you just started picking the ball up and running?
Virtually all. Virtually all. No.
Virtually all.
Our group did not.
So you took your group out here.
Our leader, he went, made a rexy, and then afterwards started.
My point was,
leader alone made a rexy, no?
so the leader came with me the first time. I'm not talking about that. I'm saying how many of you went to the team, took the team out and said this is why we got to come. See the path, see the route, find the problems. ये clogging जो हो रहा था, traffic jam.
Yes.
You could have estimated, you could have thought about it earlier. देखो सारे यहीं पे आके बोलेंगे यहाँ पे problem हो जाएगा. Why did you think? Then you would have. There are people. I saw there is this one gentleman जो glass के बाजू में खड़े हैं. Target किधर है? Glass किधर है? Glass किधर है? He has already reached. He doesn't know. You know, funny thing. But it happened. It happened. It always happens. What else? What else? Leadership. Okay. What else?
Innovative ideas.
Innovative ideas. Okay. Yes, you got to go your way through. You got to. You know, you got to. That was a very good idea. I was a little worried because it might have snapped, but it did not. That is very good.
Both the teams which came first had the thinner ones.
What I liked about you guys is, in fact, all of you, somewhere or the other, but this one, what I liked was, in the beginning, they were cribbing, honest. Nahi hai, nahi hai, nahi. But there came a time they came up with an idea all by themselves and then they said, we got to do it, so we got to do it. Rasta nikalo.
So necessity is the
Correct. See, all good things in this world has happened any time only because somebody found a way out of the difficulties faced. Any good thing. You know, Thomas Alva Edison ko aap dekh lo, how many times did he lose? How many times did he fail to make a bulb? Anybody?
Different route.
2,500.
I hear a lot of other stories. किसी ने मेरे को 6,000 भी बोला है. 99 to 6,000 probably it is anything. But you know, after having done that, when people came and when he said this is the bulb and he he invented the bulb finally, people came and asked him how does it feel having failed 999 times or 2,500 times. You know what Thomas Alva Edison said? बोलिए.
Yeah, today I know 205,000 ways not to start making a bulb.
So he said, who said I lost? Who said I was a failure? Now I know 2,500 ways of how not to make a bulb. Perspective again, how you see things. Everything looks difficult and unachievable until and unless somebody has achieved it once. अब इसे कोई देख लीजिए, इससे ज़्यादा difficult कुछ लग ही नहीं रहा था ना इस वक्त, लेकिन अचीव किया ना, आप ही लोगों ने किया, मैं तो किया नहीं. But lot of people said, नहीं है, ये खराब है सर, आपने भी खुद ही बोला था, लेकिन उसी पे आपने किया, उसी ग्रास पे किया. साठे साहब तो one step ऊपर चले गए. I was.
आप टारगेट को ठीक करके किया है.
See, with the right strategy in place, everything is achievable. Everything is possible. Strategy और achievement के बीच में there is this one small thing called execution. जहाँ पे ये छोटी चीजें आ जाती हैं. Sana was talking about collaboration. Did you realize these things? You know, see, I was giving this example to somebody, and this example actually had Sana in mind. She is probably the shortest of us here. This row in this particular team should have been Sana's. Why? Because this is the smallest. Because see, that is how we deal with people. We have to take every individual. Correct. So that is what has to happen. So I have to understand which kind of people I'm working with. Use their talents to the fullest. How many of you let go of people? Let me ask. Did anybody say, "तू रुक जा अभी"?
No.
तू जा, एक आदमी दो पकड़ लेंगे. करना पड़ता है, वो भी करना पड़ता है. Accepted. But I'm saying we got to remember and realize when we got to use our resources in what manner.
When you talk about leader emerges, one observation of ours was that somebody fired the captain. When he fired the captain went to chef. He was not talking after that.
And that guy, after that, did not contribute to the process. It just kept on moving.
Very good. I will now take an example of a great leader who we lost just a few months back. Who we lost. A great leader of this world. I'm personally a very big fan. YouTube में उनका वीडियो देखता रहता हूँ. Steve Jobs. He was fired from his own company, the company which he started in a garage. He was fired. And he was called in because he proved his mettle. He went, he started another company, proved his mettle, he was got back. So these things happen. See, what's within you, two things, remember this. What's within you cannot be changed by others. Will always remain within you. And other people's opinion about you will never become your reality. It's just other people's opinion about it. So we should never lose hope on what we are. The problem is we depend on others more. We look at others more. While in an activity I see people instructing others. How many of you contemplated, introspected what you are doing? How many of you asked, am I doing it right? Tell me if I'm wrong. Mr. Nair, if you did it, wonderful. That is the way to do it.
Tell me in terms of initial allocation of resources, you were 100% more resources. Why the teams became greedy? And that was not the part of
And I
competition.
told you, 8 feet से ज़्यादा लेंगे तो आप मुश्किल में पड़ेंगे. Didn't I tell you?
Yes, yes.
और वो इसीलिए था क्योंकि जितना लंबा रोप ले लेंगे आपको उतना मुश्किल पड़ेगा. फिर भी लोग 12-12 फीट के लेके आए.
लोग भागे बड़े
लोग भागे बड़ा ज़्यादा लो. I tell you what, one
अरे
point
वो
that
छीन के ले गया कुछ.
अरे वो तो
छिना के कुछ चोरी हो
कुछ
गया.
तो 7
छिनवा दिया ना
कुछ तो 7 फीट रोप लगा के बैठे थे. एंड कुछ देर बाद सब बांधा बूंदा सब कुछ रेडी और अचानक मेरे पास बोलते एक रोप छीन के लेके चले. एंड ही प्रॉब्ली डिडंट इवन नो कौन लेके कहाँ गया. सब छीन के लेके. सो यू नो व्हाट शुड हैव हैपेंड इज द मोमेंट आई सेड ये रोप को काटना है. Everybody got into that competitive mode. I said there will be 12 rings sprayed. All of you find one ring. I still do not understand. The captain did not get a chance to turn back and say, "You go." उससे पहले 3-3, 4-4 लोग भाग गए. What was the strategy behind it? So stop, think, grow. It's very important. Stop, think. If you don't contemplate, if you do not go back what you have done the whole day, you will never be. How many of you manage time well? How many of you have a problem with managing time?
All of us, man.
So how many of you
Start a
actually?
meeting
Time management is most important for everyone.
So we require that
without
realization.
any end time.
So we require that time management. Okay. So what I'm saying here is, so working together is very important. Understanding people and then collaborating with everybody. Guiding is very important. Also be guided. To be guided is also very important. So I was talking about this one. You were talking about something. Fired the captain. So do not worry about who. If you know you're doing the right thing, carry on doing it, people. And if you are fired, stop. Think. Go back to him. Compliment him and say, you know what? I think you are right. That's the true leader. A true leader is not supposed to be deciding everything. Nobody expects you to decide as a leader. A leader is a guy who knows how to work with resources better than others. That's about it. It's like, yesterday this gentleman called Akash who was with me, he was the friend of mine who actually got the other guys, the guitarist. He is the leader. But did he with every song come straight in front and say, now this song will be sung? Did he do that? No. He let people take over. But I love him because he did his job well. I said, thank you, yeah. And he did his job. His team knows he's the leader. We also know he's the leader. But that does not mean he has to come stand in front and do everything. He took charge when people started asking for Hindi numbers. There he did the firefighting. He came up with some karaoke songs. He said, "Ye mera team nahi kar payega." There I got to stand in front and I got to start singing Mussu Mussu Hasi. Understood what I'm saying? Anything else? Any other
Last
observation?
minute exhaustion. I had found that virtually all teams when they came here, except for the Saturday's team, there were a lot of patience. I think they were not losing the side of the
No, I think there was two things particularly. Mr. Sate, in between he gave up. He said, "Ye target achhi ho karni." But when he was motivated and fired and shown, I think he took it up the hill. Literally, I was sure he would have. Had it not happened, we would have still continued. So I don't know what motivation, how team gets motivated, what actions.
इसके लिए एक दूसरा ट्रेनिंग
One more takeaway was optimum resources because if the 5 persons are optimum, if you employ 6 or 7 there, it won't work. And everybody in the
It
chain,
doesn't make sense. It doesn't matter.
right?
Correct.
So why the adequate resources and everybody in the chain are equally important.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's very important.
I have a point. Time was not the essence in this, is it? Because anybody could come anytime and, I mean, see, for example, Sati Steel had come the last. And then he said that he didn't make any fault.
No, it was important. Mr. Sadesti was lucky.
Yeah.
Many others before him failed. So he was still important even if he came in late. He was still successful. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll proceed. Now we have 2 more activities and we don't probably have time for 2 more activities.